Here's how to identify and replace a soft close buffer on a base blind corner with chrome swing out. This is what the soft close buffer looks like during operation. The back plastic part will close and open depending on how far the shelf is located, either inside or outside of the cabinet. On the underside of the shelf, this is what you should see. If the buffer is not performing correctly, it may be necessary to replace the buffer itself. This can be done with ease, even if the cabinet is already installed in a kitchen. First, fully pull out the shelf from the cabinet. Then, remove the shelf from the unit's arm. Next, remove the soft close buffer from the arm. Replace the defective buffer with the new buffer. Place the shelf back into its original location. And close the shelf back into the cabinet.